I'm here at a great listing of mine at 4777 Barfield. It's located in East Memphis. It's a fantastic renovated home with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. I can't wait for you to see the master suite. You're gonna love it. So come with me and let's take a look at what can be your new home. I'm so glad you had the opportunity to tour this home. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, just give me a call. Thanks, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.